today. We would like to sing you a happy birthday, wish you a happy birthday, greet you, and may your dreams come true. You don't need to worry if you have no money. Instead, you should be happy, 'cause Jesus is with you today. And we are with you today. Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor Lord! Happy birthday, love you, boy! Love you! Take care! Bye!
Happy birthday, Sister Linda.
How old are you now?
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Wow! Seryoso